Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. Today, I want to talking about how to identify the BMW CCC, CIC, NBT, and EVO system. Why talk this? Because I have a lot of friends make mistake when he buy the Android screen or install the Apple CarPlay box. When he received the order, he found the video cable is different. That way, he cannot install the Android screen or CarPlay box to the car. He have to return to the seller. He need to pay a lot of money for the shipping. So, how to identify the iDrive version for your car? This is the first step. And the first question for you. Today, I will talking about this to tell you how to identify different iDrive systems. This picture is the main menu for BMW iDrive system. CCC look like this. CIC, NBT, EVO have ID5 and ID6 here. They are belong to EVO system. So, in most cases, when we see the picture for the main menu, and we'll see what kind of car type you have. Now, let me show you one by one. This the CCC start from 2003 to 2008. This the oldest iDrive system. The video cable on the back is 10-inch. What is the video cable? Now, let me show you. This the display, the radio head unit. The video cable is the connector on the back of the display here. It comes from original radio and connect to the display. That way you can see the different contents or menus in the display. Different iDrive, the video cable is different. This is the CCC iDrive. The video cable is 10-inch. Now I want to show you different original radio head unit with different LVDS. LVDS we call video cable, right? And this is the CCC system, the head unit, the display. You can see on the back, this is the video cable. That is 10-inch. And this one is CIC head unit. And this is the display, right? Look at this connector. This is the video cable. It has 4 pins here. Here. This one. That is 4 pins, right? So, if your model is CIC, the connector is 4 pins. When you order the CCC Android screen or Apple CarPlay box, you cannot install because they are different systems. And this one is the NBT head unit, right? On the back, it's just only a connector, video cable like this. It is 6 pins. On the back, you can see this 6 pins for the display for the NBT unit here. Now, this one is the EVO system. EVO also have 6-pin video cable here. See this one. This is the video cable. Please notice EVO and NBT, they have 6-pin video cable, but they are different systems. If you make mistake, you cannot install. And we also met some case. Some car models have the CIC menu in the menu, but the video cable on the back is different. The video cable, in most cases, it have 4-pin video cable. It should have 4-pin, but for some car types, they have 6-pin video cable. If that case, you need to install NBT Android screen or NBT Apple CarPlay box. This is quite very special for the car with CIC menu. Usually, for this kind of car types, it normally produced in 2012 to 2015. For this kind of car types, you must be careful. Now, let me show you the CCC car type. These are the CCC system. Just look at the main menu, then we'll know. The CIC from 2008 to 2013. When we're talking about the year of the car models, it's just reference. Now, let me show you the CIC car types. Look at this. They are CIC. Also, these are CIC models. The NBT is 6-inch. Here, it comes from 2013 to 2017. Now, let me show you the car models. Here, these are NBT models. We have some friends didn't know what is the difference between the CIC and NBT, even they have the picture here. Now, let me show you the difference for the picture here. Here is the CIC, this is the NBT, right? You just take a look at the slack ball, then will be know. Here, the CIC here on the side, here, that's a slack ball. That's the closed slack ball here. When you move the iDrive knob here, that's a slack ball. But the NBT, that's just a color here, just a color here. The two sides not closed, just a color. This is the difference. EVO is easier to identify because when you see the main menu, then we'll know what is the car type on the back. This is the EVO car type. Here you can see this is the ID6, ID5. Here you can see this is the 6-inch. Also NBT is 6-inch, but they are different systems. You cannot make mistake. So if your car is CCC, NBT or EVO system, that's very easy to identify because you just take a look the main menu of display, then will be fine. Don't need to track the video cable on the back. But the only difficulty is the CIC model because some cars have 6-pin video cable connected. But that's very hard to identify by the interface. In that case, you need to remove the dashboard and track the video cable on the back of display.